Hey everyone, this is Caitlin Jones with the Jones Home Team. Here's a quick tip. Home inspections. People say, hey, I'm buying a house. Do I really need a home inspection? I want to save that money. The quick answer, yes. The long answer, yes. Don't skimp on the home inspection. Honestly, it's $400 or $500 and that could save you $4,000. It could actually save you $20,000. You don't know what you don't know. What if there's an electrical issue, a roof leak, a plumbing blockage? Those are some major things. And honestly, once you buy a house, you own it and you own every issue that comes with it. So don't skip the home inspection. It's worth it. It's your peace of mind. Then you know, is what I'm buying and the condition of this house worth the money that I'm spending? So my quick tip is, if you're going to skip something, don't ever skip the home inspection. Make sure you like this video, subscribe. We'll have more content every Wednesday. So we're here for anything that we can do for you to be your real estate resource.